Does it matter if you're not, I'm not going as fast as
No, it
you.
doesn't matter. Well, now you're quickening the speed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm knitting.
And it's kind of furry. If you have a problem with mohair, it's probably not the best project.
Oh. It's all to hear my arms and muscles.
That's okay.